All right, hey guys, it's Audrey here and Victoria. You want to wave? Hi. All right, so we are doing our quick pigtail bun today for you. So all you do is start with 2 pigtails. You can do this with any hair that I would say you could do pigtails with. So let's say like longer than maybe your shoulders. So just start with some pigtails and then very easily, you guys know I love to do the twisting. Twist down each side, each pigtail. Now, as my rule of thumb usually is, I try to go as tight as I can because I know that once I elastic band the bottom, it's gonna loosen up anyway. So I try my hardest just to get a really good coil going. And then when I get towards the bottom, you guys know I love these little tiny elastics, and you can get them on Amazon. You get like 1,000 of them for so cheap. I'm gonna link my Amazon store so you guys can see all the products that we use that I love. This brush is the best brush on the planet Earth on her hair. And then I just go to the other pigtail and I do the same thing. I just twist. You know, this is the easiest thing in the world. I mean, I feel like anybody can twist hair. You just part the little pigtail into 2 sections and you twist your way down, and that's it. This is the most time-consuming part of this hairdo. And the reason I like to do these in real time without a bunch of editing is so you can actually see how easy they are. I also don't like to do fast forward motion because I feel like that doesn't help you either if you're really trying to figure out something or if I'm trying to talk through something. All right, so you are left with 2, like just twist pigtails just like that. So the next step you're gonna do, and this requires maybe like, I'd say like 4 or 5 of these little elastic bands. Since Victoria's hair is yellow, I usually like to use the yellow ones because they blend well. You can see the blue really pops out. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not gonna care so much. So then you take the 2 little pigtails and you actually just knot them, just like that. Just a quick tie, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, just like that. And then what I usually do is, Victoria, can you hold these 2 ends right here? It's good to have a kid that's old enough to do that. I take an elastic and I just really quickly pinch this part right here. So I just put an elastic around the coiled part just to keep it in place, truly. And then you have these cute little tails that are hanging on the bottom, and you can either twist them on top or twist them on the bottom, however you want to do it. But just twist so you can hide them a bit, just like that. And then I just get 1 more elastic. I'm using my teeth to get them. And I just take this little elastic, and you can use a thicker one for this one. I only have these thinner ones right now. And you can just pop it right in to hold the hair in place. And then you can tuck in anything you want. Don't forget, bobby pins are like my best friend when I'm doing hairdos. And the whole point of this really cute twist bun is that it's really tight. Usually you guys will see me puff it out and make it look more boho. I'm not gonna do that. This is a really elegant, classic look, great for any age, and I think it's just a really fun look too. So I just wanted to show you how simple it was, how quick you can do it, and truly how anybody can accomplish this hairdo. All right, my love, you're nice and still. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Hit the notification bell so you know when we have new videos.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. You always remember the last thing to do. And you can also put a headband on top to make it look pretty. You could even, actually turn around, I'll show them how you could even take a really pretty scrunchie that you have.
I have 2 other braids.
You do have 2 other braids. You could add a scrunchie right here just to give it that much more of a fun little look. Whatever you want to do, you could add more bracelets. Whatever you want to do to really make it, you know, look however chic and fashionable you want. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to go watch our other hair tutorials too. Woo!